Hi, I'm Weston Sapia, Senior System Applications Engineer at Analog Devices. I'd like to introduce you to our X-band Developers Kit prototyping platform intended for hybrid beamforming radar applications. The X-band Developers Kit is comprised of three main segments: the RF front end, the up-down conversion, and the digitizer. Overall system control is accomplished using a ZCU 102 FPGA platform, as well as Linux IIO device drivers from Analog Devices. The RF front end, codenamed Stingray, consists of 8 8R1000 beamforming ICs controlling 32 ADTR1107 TR modules, which enables analog beamforming for the system. This front end operates between 8 to 16 GHz, while the layout maintains a 10 GHz lattice spacing for the array. The Stingray board is powered from a single 12-volt source, and all necessary RF and miscellaneous voltage rails are generated on the board. Digital control of the board is done using two PMOD connectors, which mate back to the PMOD connectors on the ZCU 102. Example code will be made available for configuring the board using Python and the IIO device drivers from Analog Devices. The Stingray board also includes current voltage and GPIO monitoring using an LTC2992 hardware monitor. The two high-powered RF rails are both monitored, as well as the status of the onboard power sequencer. An independent RF detector and ADC combo is also available, which can be used for calibration. All 32 antenna ports on the ADTR1107s are routed to SMPM connectors, which allow for conducted or over-the-air testing of the system. Customers can also use these SMPM connectors to cable out to custom antenna boards with the design and lattice spacing they need for their specific application. A reference antenna board with 10 GHz lattice spacing is also available upon request. The Stingray board and mechanical stand were designed such that the array can be expanded in both the horizontal and vertical dimensions. Vertically, a second Stingray board can be rotated and attached to the stand while maintaining the 10 GHz lattice and doubling the array size. Horizontally, as many boards as necessary can be mounted side by side. The X-band Developers Kit can support up to 2 Stingray boards in the system with no software or power modifications, as the 12-volt power and PMOD control interface can be daisy-chained to support a pair of boards. The XUDla is powered from a single 12-volt source, and all necessary voltage rails are generated on board. Digital control is done using a 14-pin header, which connects to an interposer board between the XUDla and the HPC1 connector on the ZCU 102. As there are 8 RFIO blocks on Stingray, but only 4 up-down conversion channels on the XUDla, each channel of the XUDla will connect to a splitter combiner and be fed to 2 8R1000s on the Stingray platform. Finally, the digitizer block is realized using a single AD9081, known as the MxFE. The MxFE is a quad 12 gigasample per second DAC and quad 4 gigasample per second ADC, complete with a hardened DSP block, which is used to partially offload the FPGA. The MxFE contains independent digital up and down conversion for each channel, including phase control of the internal numerically controlled oscillators, enabling the digital beamforming portion of the overall system. The MxFE is both powered and controlled directly from the ZCU 102's HPC0 connector using Analog Devices IIO device drivers. Wiki pages documenting the X-band Developers Kit are available at wiki.analog.com. This will include the overall hardware design for each board, a user guide for putting the system together, and links to the device drivers and example code for control of the system. For more information, please visit analog.com or reach out to your local sales team about the X-band Developers Kit.